Hey Pat, did you know we were coming? Hey Kate, did you know to let it be? Hey, now, when you're down on the river strumming, sing out, there's no reason you shouldn't be. Your baby is a real live wire. Your sister is a real live wire. Your mom is a real live wire. Your daughter is a real live wire. I was on my way. I took advice I had to take. I was on the road. I saw 2 long years go by. I was traveling alone. You were right, it was the only way. I was traveling alone on my own when I thought I'd break. Now I wake to real life life. Now I'm messing with the real life life. Your daughter is a real life wife. I'm always drawn to the real life wife.
It's always refreshing going somewhere new in the world. You can't put a price on the experiences you endure while traveling. The local people, neighborhood dogs, textures, smells, sounds, sights, friendly smiles, transportation, fish markets, even more smells. When the waves and weather aren't always cooperating, you have more time to appreciate the smaller details. These are the moments that bring a smile to my face after a long trip.